Santa baby, just let the
Guys, good. Oh my god, I almost fell. Live footage. Okay, so I just uploaded Vlogmas day 1. So if you want to go check that out. Yesterday was not a great day, but I mean it's sunny outside today. Great lighting. It's Saturday once again. As I said yesterday, it's a new day. It's a new me. Well, not new me, but like, it's a new day. It's a new fresh start, you know? So, today, I don't really have any plans. I have to clean my room. My knee hurts so bad. I think I haven't told you guys this story yet, but I hurt my knee at school this week, so yay me. But yeah, I just wanted to intro the vlog. Today is December 2nd, Vlogmas day 2. I hope you guys are having a great start to your morning. And yeah, I just wanted to say that. I'll update you guys in a little bit. Update time. So, it's currently almost 1 o'clock. Still here, still in my pajamas. Today's been kind of a lazy day. It's you know how I said it was really sunny out earlier? Well, it's not sunny anymore. Well, it is. Like, it's a lot of clouds, so that's what we're dealing with right now. I am so ready for it to snow already. Like, it's gonna look so freaking cute. Oh, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited for the Christmas time. I'm just hyped right now. Like, I'm so excited. Also, as I mentioned, I said I'm going to cut my hair on Monday. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All these, like, dead ends and, like, just everything's going to be cut off. And I'm so, ow, that hurt. I'm so just excited for that. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I just had lunch. I'm just sitting here. I'm drinking some water, so stay hydrated. It's great for your skin and your health, so I'm almost done. This was filled up all the way up here, so hooray for me, huh? Oh my god, in that last clip, I put my elbow on my knee where I have a bruise, and it hurts so bad now. Ow. Ow, that it still hurts. Ow. I'm gonna go ice my knee now because I hurt it more, so yeah. Guys, guess what your girl did. Guess what your girl did. Your girl just made her new Vlogmas intro, which you're probably gonna see in the beginning of this vlog. So please let me know if you like it. I know it's not like anything huge like Alicia Marie's, where like she like completely like playing out this whole scene, but like I don't know, I just think it's really simple and elegant and has a nice little twist on it. I have like some remix in there. Like, let me know if you guys like it. I mean, it's better than last year's Vlogmas intro, to be honest. So yeah, just let me know if you like it. I'm so excited for Vlogmas. I'm like so prepared to be like vlogging every day, and I think it's gonna be really, really fun. Hi guys, so been a few hours since I last talked to you, and here's the update I have for you. Look who cleaned her room. Me. Okay, yes, my way better now. But look at it, it's all clean. Yay. Anyway, my room's clean. I'm on my couch right now. And I need to film something tomorrow to get it up tomorrow because I have to get at least one video per week, even though it's not going to be on Sundays anymore. But yeah, so that's basically what I did, is I cleaned my room. Been sitting here and just chilling. I need to catch up on Riverdale because your girl missed an episode. I'm really upset. So I have to go do that. Well, I don't have to. I want to. That's something that Kiliana would say if she was right here. But anyway, that was the update. Vlogmas is being very boring right now, but I have a schedule planned for next week. Monday, I'm getting my haircut, and Tuesday, I'm going shopping for some gifts for my friends and family, so that should be exciting. Look at how clean my room is. I feel so accomplished right now. Like, I don't know what that was, but okay, we're just gonna end this. Hey guys, so it's currently 11 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know today wasn't that great of a day. I didn't really do anything fun, but I promise you next week is gonna be super fun. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but next week is gonna be super fun. I'm gonna get my hair cut. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after of my hair and stuff like that, so that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna go Christmas shopping. It's gonna be great next week. So like the weekend's gonna be a little boring. I'm gonna film tomorrow, and yeah, let me know if you guys are liking the Vlogmas vlogs. You know, just let me know if you are, because I'm really liking them, and I think that, I don't know, I just think they're cool and fun. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.